Hey guys, Smith here, and a little bit of a video today. I remember about many years ago, way before Google Chrome actually came out, almost everyone started using the AOL Desktop browser. Even my uncle and me was using this for a good while until we upgraded to the next level of internet browsing. AOL was really good back in the day. What it did, it featured everything all in one place, like your emails, your the news, financial status, like stocks and shares, that kind of thing. Even like TV and stuff, like what was on TV, what was in the news, and entertainment and films and gaming and that kind of thing. Everything was all in one place, and then AOL slowly died out, and then Internet Explorer, Firefox, and Google Chrome, and I believe Safari as well, because Safari's the Apple web browser. They started fighting it out for survival of the fittest of the internet browsers and search engines. But as you can see, I'm using Google Chrome. I've used it since it ever existed. So yeah, I'm actually going to go into my past and download the AOL Desktop for Windows again. You can go to this site. I'm going to put it in the description, but be warned, I have a feeling that this software is not going to be available anymore. You can still download it, but it's probably not going to function correctly because it's dead software. I downloaded it, it's version 9.8, so let's click on the file and install it. Yes. Okay, so it's just downloading the software. I'm going to talk about the secure connection. I did find another page with AOL on it. For the software. The only problem is when I clicked on the icon next to the website bar, it said it wasn't secure. This one is secure, so that's why I'm going on it. Plus, I can always scan my system for viruses if something goes wrong. I'm going to cut this out. Okay, it's at 95% now, so I'm just going to wait because it's catching up quick. Okay, your software will now install. Yay. Another thing is I know everything's using broadband nowadays. Okay, let me just have a look at this. Thank you for choosing AOL Desktop In. I'm going to uninstall you right after the video, most probably. Please select your preferred type of installation. Upgrade existing version. Recommended if you want to transfer over any existing data from your previous version. Please choose a version. And then, okay. Install new version. Please note this will not transfer your data. Okay, so just do the new install, and I like how it's got 3 steps to go, so that's good. Continue. Okay, here we go, and it's checked them all. I didn't want them all checked. Please select your preferred software settings. Open up email in the AOL software. So AOL is your default browser. Now this won't affect any of your other browsers, by the way. So it's just for this one. So AOL is your search provider. AOL is the home page. So I'm gonna deselect that one. Install the AOL. Okay, I'm gonna not select that one either. Okay, continue. You've opted to install the following software: AOL Desktop with the following default settings. Use AOL Desktop for browsing, use it for search provider, and to set it as your home page. To this location, Okay, install now. Let's see what you're capable of. Okay, so it's installing all the components what I selected, so this might take a little while. Yeah, it's just registering everything. I'm just going to talk about what I was going to talk about before it wanted me to select things. Yeah, everyone uses, or most, well, hopefully everyone uses broadband nowadays. But back in the day when me and my uncle was using this early AOL software, even though it was the early stages of broadband, we always used to remember the it was a pain to get on for us because of our like weird connections and stuff, because we had a modem back in them days, and now you can buy modems and routers combined together. In fact, that's what I'm using at the moment with our internet service provider. I've actually got an unboxing of our router on my channel somewhere. Had it for a few years now. Our old one stopped working. Don't know why. But yeah, with the old modems and stuff, you can only use like one thing at a time. Like if you wanted to use um the phone, you couldn't use the internet, and vice versa. Oh, it's speeding up now. And yeah, that was like a type of dial-up, wasn't it? So yeah, we was using dial-up as well on some cases. It was annoying. Plus, you get to hear that weird dial-up connection sounds and everything, which was nostalgic. So yeah, I'm going to wait for this to install. It's installing core components now. Also, another note. Oh, there you go. Holy shit, it's starting up now. Cool. I really hope I remember my password. Please wait. Really? People still use DSL? Oh, oh, oh. Ah, hell yeah. Okay, let's get started. Is existing. Holy shit. Okay, this one's alright. I have to censor this.
Goodbye.
I ain't even signed in yet. Important notice. Oh shit, you know what this is, don't you? This is probably because I installed it. By important notice, it ain't even showed up yet. I'm gonna try again. Save the password. Connecting broadband. Sign on.
Goodbye.
Oh my god. Yeah. Yeah, I thought something like this would happen. The AOL Desktop has been discontinued. This version of the AOL Desktop has been discontinued and will no longer accept logins. You may access your AOL mail using a different browser. I use Internet Explorer for it. No, not for Chrome. Anyway, it's not called Internet Explorer anymore. It's called Edge. Um, if you have an internet connection, you can still access your email at email.aol. Yeah, to be honest with you, I still have an AOL account, like an AOL email address. I mostly use it for spam, that kind of thing, like spam collectors up on it. But I sometimes use it if I want to sign up for something that I just want to get a bit of information from, that kind of thing that I'm not going to be interested in much in. So yeah, that is AOL. It won't even let me in. As you can see by the top, you've got a load of icons and stuff which you probably can't even use. Just click on TV. Yeah, this is how things popped up as a little window and stuff. This is the Huffington Post. Jesus Christ. So it won't let you sign in, but you can actually search for stuff. So let's actually go with, let's see. Oh, it does it. Oh, really now? So you can't log in, but you can still use it as a internet browser. This is interesting. I'm not going to sign in because I don't need it, because I just want to see if it works. Does it have like Facebook of it? .com. Yeah, it does. Huh. Well, what do you know? Interesting. Anyway, yeah, you can close pages down, open them up. It doesn't really matter. Anyway, what's that one do? Nothing. I think that's it. To be honest, that's it for the thing. Just a little bit of a nostalgia trip for you. And to be honest, I didn't expect it to actually work, in the sense that you can actually go onto web pages, so you can use it, but you can't log on to your email address, to your account on it. So that is interesting. I've got no idea why this is up. It's just my recommendation shit. Yeah, I'm gonna minimize that and that. I mean, I've been recording for a long time. I think this is gonna be it for this video, to be honest, because I want to make 2 videos tonight, because this one is going to need some editing. So this video is going to come up is going to come up tomorrow, Wednesday night, when I get home. So I'm going to edit it, and actually no, I'm going to edit it and render it tonight, and then it'll be ready for upload tomorrow. I will be having a video out tonight, though, a little short vlog for tonight, I'm gonna think. Anyway, just a little nostalgia trip, like I said, and I will see you next time.